First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, click open. Now go to the adjustment layer options and choose the gradient adjustment layer. Here set the gradient style to linear. Set the angle to 0 degrees. Open a gradient editor. Select the color you desire to use on the left side. Press OK. Then go to the blend modes and choose color. Now we need to add this gradient effect to the right side. So hit Ctrl J to duplicate the gradient adjustment layer. Double click on this gradient thumbnail. Change the angle to 180 degrees. Open a gradient editor. Pick out the color on the right side. Press OK. Let's see the final result.